Home Remedies presents.
Brush your teeth with this remedy for 2 minutes. Some people, like me and my followers of course, just prefer using natural remedies to whiten their teeth because they would rather avoid the unnatural ingredients included in professional teeth whitening services. In today's teeth whitening recipe, we will need garlic as our main ingredient. Garlic contains antibacterial properties that help to prevent and get rid of cavities from the teeth. It also helps treating gingivitis, inflammation and swelling. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon grated garlic, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon toothpaste. Directions: mix all the ingredients thoroughly to make a fine paste. Using a toothbrush, use it for brushing your teeth for just 2 minutes daily. Your teeth will be shiny and bright like never before.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.